Excellencies, however, it is a matter of great concern that the ECO region, comprising an area of 8 million square kilometers and half a billion population, roughly 15% of the world population, has intra-regional trade of, unfortunately, less than 8% of region's aggregate and only 2% of the global trade, which is in stark contrast to other regional groupings such as EU, wherein the intra-regional trade stands about 70%, and ASEAN, which is around 23%. Excellencies, ECO trade agreement is a landmark intra-regional preferential trade agreement, which was conceptualized exactly in line with the founding and fundamental goals of this organization to create amenable and conducive conditions for promotion of sustainable economic development of the region, aiming at joint welfare and well-being of member states. ECO trade agreement that primarily aims to lower tariffs in our region over an agreed time framework provides an excellent platform for the promotion of our region's economic interests by trade promotion and facilitation. Despite a considerable period since its inception, it is yet to see daylight of implementation. So far, as Honorable Secretary General of ECO highlighted, only few member states have signed the agreement. As the coordinating country on ECO trade agreement, Pakistan attaches great importance to its early implementation. We would urge all member states to take a broader and more holistic view of the matter and kindly join us in the earliest implementation of ECO trade agreement. Mr. Chairman, ECO Vision 2025, adopted during the 13th ECO Summit in Islamabad in 2017, is a key document that guides us towards increasing intra-regional trade, strengthening regional connectivity, operationalizing the major ECO transport corridors, coordinating efforts to achieve energy security and sustainability, increasing inter-regional trade, including